Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your debit card on the US Bank app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and lock your US debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so on the US Bank app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, we're going to click on Manage Cards. Next, we're going to click on the card that we want to go ahead and lock. Now, from this option here, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you want to click Lock or Unlock Card. So go ahead and toggle where it says this card is unlocked, and that will go ahead and lock your card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and lock your debit card on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.